Top 6 New Best Concept Cars 2020 to 2023. 2020 Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron concept. The Q4 e-tron Sportback has an 82 kWh battery pack and two electric motors, one on the front axle and another on the rear. The electric motor in the rear produces 201 horsepower while the motor on the front axle adds an extra 100 horsepower. That gives the e-tron Sportback a combined output of 301 horsepower with power traveling to all four wheels. With that, the Q4 Sportback will hit 62 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. And onto a restricted top speed of 111.8 miles an hour. Inside, like the other Q4, the inside of the Sportback is full of recycled materials. There's also Audi's virtual cockpit, a 12.3-inch main touchscreen and an augmented reality head-up display. (2021) Deci Seconds Aerosport Lounge Concept. The aerodynamically enhanced concept takes the form of an SUV with a raked roof and crazy 23-inch wheels. The grille area serves as a screen, and hidden beneath the screen are sensors that read the road. Under the hood, the car takes inspiration from the DS's winning Formula E team. It gets a 680 horsepower electric motor and the latest generation battery that sits on the floor. According to DS, the concept can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. And the total range is more than 404 miles. (2023) Cadillac Lyriq Concept. The Cadillac Lyriq is the brand's first electric vehicle and the first of any GM products to use the new modular electric platform powered by the company's Ultium long-range batteries. Inside, the Lyriq has one of the largest infotainment displays anywhere. A 33-inch diagonal LED display sits front and center, and it's a single massive screen that extends from behind the steering wheel to the center of the dash. The Lyriq's 100 kilowatt setup gives it 300 miles of range, level 2 charging rates of up to 19 kilowatts. And DC fast charging of more than 150 kilowatts. (2021) Renault Megane E-Vision Concept. Renault has revealed the Megane E-Vision, a bold electric concept that it claims reinvents the classical hatchback. The Megane E-Vision appears to share several styling features with the Ariya, but its design is heavily based on the recent Renault Morphos concept. The electric motor produces 215 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque with power sent to the front wheels. So Renault claims a 0 to 62 mile per hour time of less than 8 seconds. The production version of the Megane E-Vision will be revealed next year ahead of sale starting in 2021. (2021) Jeep Grand Wagoneer Concept. On September 3, 2020, Jeep presented the Jeep Grand Wagoneer concept, which foreshadows the next great Grand Wagoneer marketed in 2022. This is a luxury SUV, so prepare for comfort with massive leather seats that are heated and ventilated. They also have a diamond design down the center. The fully digital cockpit includes 44 inches of digital screens and haptic controls, including a 12.3-inch driver display, a 12.1-inch infotainment center, a 10.3-inch screen for comfort controls like AC, and more. (2021) Renault Morphos Concept. This futuristic vehicle represents Renault's vision of personal shareable electric mobility in the years beyond 2025. It's called the Morphos. See, the Morphosis platform can stretch, increasing the body length from 4.4 meters to 4.8 meters. This additional platform piece also contains a 50 kilowatt-hour battery pack, taking system output to 90 kilowatt-hours and roughly doubling its range to 700 kilometers. The Morphos also features a sustainable interior. The floor is made from recycled yogurt pots while the dashboard is made from wood. There's a 10.2-inch central display plus an additional screen in the center console for rear seat passengers. Artificial intelligence is also used to recognize the driver, unlock the doors and automatically position the seat to the preferred position.